Welcome to Ahmad Arabic class. Me Ahmad Arabic coach. Continue to foundation course of Arabic curriculum in Gulf countries and other beginners. I hope you might have watched from part number 1 till part number 30. It is part number 14, how to read and how to write Arabic, made easy. So in this lesson, we will practice. We will practice with shaddah. Okay, means reading practice with shaddah. Yeah, you can say with mushaddad word. Okay, so in this lesson, okay, so reading practice with mushaddad word. Okay, so let's begin. In previous lesson, I might so I hope you might have understood what is shaddah, what is sound of shaddah, how to read shaddah, right? Okay, and other things about shaddah. So yeah, I hope you might have understood what is shaddah, how to read shaddah properly. Okay, so today reading practice with mushaddad word, right? First I write some words and we try to read. Simple, right? So first here is choose the color. Is the red color is it will be better, and is it thick pen. Okay, first write word C. First write word yes, write this word. Okay, is something is okay, I write again ra. This is ra and this is meme. Okay, radamma and meme shadda and fatha. Okay, now try to read it. It is rumman ni radamma ra damma ru radamma ru and mim shadda rum and mim fatha again mim fatha alif lang vowel rumman rumman. Okay, rumman rum. And you know, right, as you know, I told you here mushaddad letter, if you open mushaddad letter, you will find first letter always sakin with sukun sign, and second letter may be fatha, maybe kasra, maybe dhamma. So rum, so here is double meme, here is double meme. Shadda means meme is double, meme has shadda, it means meme is double. So if you open meme, so you will find first meme sakin rum rum. See, room room. So first mean sakin room and second mean man rumman. I opened it rumman. So rumman rumman rumman. Now next word ta fa. So here is ta dhamma and fa fatah and alif fa fatah and ha. See, and ha. Now read it tuffah tuffah tuffah. So here is fa. Fa has shadda, right? Fa has shadda sign. It means fa is double. Read fa double tuf. So first fa is sakin, right? Imagine. So imagine first fa is sakin. Tuf fa. I open here. See, tuf tadama and fa. Tuf. See, tuf 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 tuffah tuffah tuffah, right? Tuffah. So first fa is sakin, tuffah. Done. Tuffah. Okay, and now is remove it. Okay, remove it. Now next letter. So next letter you can say, see, next letter simple say one letter is no sayara sorry, sayara So seen, seen, and ya and alif lam. So sayya, seen fatha, and here is ya shadda, ya shadda. Okay, and ra and ta mudawwara, right? You know ta mudawwara, sayyara. Okay, see say. Okay, so ya has shadda. Ya has shadda. It means ya is double. Read ya double. Say yara. Say yara. I open here. I open. See, I open. See, I open. Seen and ya. See here. Say. So see here. Say. Okay, say. And second ya. Second ya. Yara. Ya. Yara. Yara. Sayyara. Sayyara. So sayyara. So first ya is sakin, always sakin. Sayyara. 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 So ya. Sayyara. Okay. Now let's see let's see other example. Sayyara. Okay. One more word is it's a bicycle. Yes. Darraja. Dal. Dal fatah and ra shadda and fatha. Okay, alif, long vowel, and jim fatha, ja, and ta marbuta. Darraja, darraja. See here, dal fatha da and ra hai shadda. Darraja. Okay, read ra double. I open here, dal. Okay, first ra sakin, always sakin. Dar. Okay, and second ra, raja. Raja, darraja. Daraja, Daraja. Okay, so Ra has Shadda. It means Ra is double. So in double, first first Ra is Sakin. See, I open here. First Ra is Sakin, Dar, and second Ra is Fatha, right? Second Ra is Fatha. Second Ra has Fatha. Ra, Raja, Daraja, Daraja, Daraja. Okay, let's see other example. Other example. Let's see other example. Okay, other example. Okay, how to read mushaddad word. Okay, see ba. This is ta. This is ya. This is kha. Okay, here is ba fatha and ta shadda. Ta shadda. Ta shadda. It means ta is double. Read ta double. Battikh. You know here see ya long vowel. Tikh. Battikh. Sorry. No here shadda. No here fatha actually. It means is kasra, put down, right? Kasra. Battikh, battikh. So ta has shadda, it means ta is double. So if you open, so you will find first ta sakin and second ta kasra. Kasra, right? Kasra, e sound. Now let's see open. Let's see. Ba and ta. So first ta is sakin, right? But and second ta is kasra. Battikh, battikh, battikh. So in mushaddad letter, if you open, so you will find first letter sakin and second letter maybe fatha kasra dhamma. Here is battikh, battikh, battikh. Okay, battikh. Now let's see other example. Battikh. Okay, see. Okay, battikh. Okay, so let's see other example. You one word might have you might have heard many time. Word is okay. One city name in Saudi Arabia. Let's say Dammam. 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 Dal. Mim. Mim shadda. And Mim Fatha. Dammam, city name in Saudi Arabia, Dammam. So here is Dammam. Mim has Shabda, it means Mim is double. So read Mim double. Yeah, okay, let's see open. Dam. So first Mim is always Sakin. Dam and Mam. Dammam. Dammam. So first meme is sakin, dam, and second meme fatha, dammam. Okay, dammam, dammam. So shadda means double letter, double sound, dammam. So mushaddad letter, mushaddad word. Okay, mushaddad. See, again I explain it. Suppose meme has shadda, so meme is called meme mushaddad, meme mushaddad. Okay, if you open it you will find double meme. So first meme is always sakin and double, and second meme maybe fatha, maybe kasra, maybe dhamma, and here is fatha, here is fatha, right? Dammam, dammam. Okay, one more word is quickly, just quick read, quick read. Okay, now quick read. One more word is now, right? Ha and meme shadda, ha and meme shadda, meme fatha. Now try to read it. Hammam, 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 right? Hammam, hammam. Okay, now other word. So let's see other example. Okay, ba, kaf, ba fatha and kaf shadda, read kaf double, bakkal, bakkal, bakkal. Okay, let's see other example, let's see other example. Okay, is hammal, ha and meme, ha and meme shadda and fatha, meme fatha. So it means meme is double. Now read it. Hammal, 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 hammal. Okay, quick read. One more word. Okay, one more word. You know, dajjal, dajjal, dajjal. Jim fatha, jim shadda and jim fatha. Dajjal, 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 dajjal. Okay, dajjal. Okay, one more. So let's see other example. Kuffar, kuffar, kuf, kuffar, kuffar. Okay, kaf damma, fa shadda, fa fatha. So fa double, read fa double. Kuffar, 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 kuffar. And quick, and quick, and quick is suppose other example is meme fatha and noon shadda, meme fatha, noon shadda, read noon double, mannan, 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 mannan. Other example, okay, noon fatha and jim shadda, okay, read jim double, najjar, 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 najjar. Okay, and let's see other example and read quickly. Okay, and yes, now read this one. Kazzab, kazzab, kaf fatha and zal shadda has fatha and alif. Kazzab, kazzab, kazzab. Okay, other example. Okay, now is the last example, I think. So I hope you might have understood. Okay, so you might have understood how to read shadda. Ghashash, 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 ghashash. All right, now is ghashash, the scene, the scene. Ghas, ghashash, ghashash, ghashash. So sheen shadda, it means sheen is double. To read sheen double. Ghashash, ghashash, ghashash. Yeah. Okay, so I hope you might have understood how to read shadda. Okay, how to read shadda, and you might have, I hope you might have known everything about shadda, about mushaddad and how to read shadda. Okay, and about shadda sign. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe my channel for Ahmad Arabic class. I will see you next class. and in next class I will teach you tanween, about tanween. Okay, so ma salama, Allah hafiz, assalamu alaikum.